Recently, I was in the United States presenting energy medicine as a viable healthcare solution. As I was discussing this topic, I found myself emphasizing a more common sense approach to healing. Allopathic medicine is the healthcare solution that most people will rely upon. Conventional care is great for diagnosing a problem, offering patent drugs and surgery. It's a solid method for emergency and trauma related care, along with infectious diseases, but not so good with managing pain of chronic illnesses and emotional, mental, and spiritual based issues. A person may not receive a true core healing from allopathic methods simply because the drugs cover up and they don't really cure. The current trend in the United States has been more and more people die each year of prescribed pharmaceutical drugs. And unfortunately, this places a dark, untrusting cloud around allopathic medicine. On a more positive note, more folks are adding natural forms of medicine to their lives, like naturopathic medicine and the ancient practices of Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. If we consider for a moment the naturopathic medicine, and like allopathic, naturopathic doctors can diagnose health issues, offer minor surgeries, and prescribe healing herbs, which are much safer than patent drugs. This method has a holistic approach to healing the whole body system, which is really effective. Yet many times the primary focus still remains on the physical and may end up missing an important emotional, mental, and spiritual healing conversation. Now for energy medicine, or what is also known as spiritual healing or psychic healing. This is usually a form of medicine that a person never really thinks about or trusts. Yet it's the oldest and most powerful of all medicines. Okay, I'm a bit biased. When someone asks me if energy medicine really heals a person, I say stick a medical doctor and a naturopathic doctor and a spiritual healer in separate rooms and send a sick person to see each healer. Tell the person who's sick to only pay the healer that makes them feel immediately better. Usually the only one that gets paid is the spiritual healer. You see, health is a frequency, and it should take only minutes for a truly gifted healer to shift a healing crisis. One of the main reasons we get sick is because it provides an opportunity for our soul self to honor karmic contracts. These life experiences can literally throw our energies into an extreme imbalanced state, forcing us to learn an important lesson. Balancing the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual energies, or subtle bodies, are what the traditional healers do best. It may be hard to conceive that we exist not only on this physical realm, but also an astral and a causal realm. A gifted healer can offer insights into each of the soul levels, and in some cases change their frequency so that a disease never needs to manifest. Unlike other medicines, gifted healers traditionally don't diagnose their clients because we believe if you name it, you claim it. And this certainly is not a proactive way to heal and shift the experience. But let's face it, in the end, common sense tells us that we need to honor all kinds of medicine. The most important thing is to not discount energy medicine as a healing option. Gifted healers have incarnated to specifically help people evolve their consciousness. Unless you seek out a spiritual healer to help you dive deeper into your health concerns, you may never realize the power of a higher consciousness and how it affects the entire human experience.